So somebody asked about beveling, which is always worth a refresher on. The point of beveling is so that you don't have this sharp edge at the corner of a pad. Everybody does it again slightly differently. This is the way I do it. So once round with the scissors at a 45-degree angle. The most important thing here is that you actually have a sharp pair of decent dressing scissors. Do invest in them. A pair of £30 scissors is a lot cheaper than a carpal tunnel repair. That will give you a rough bevel, but that doesn't look very nice, and it doesn't sort of conform terribly well around bumpy bits. So I like to do pie crust beveling as well. Finger behind the edge, so the finger almost pushes the felt into the scissor, and then you just go around moving your finger and the scissors at the same time, trying very hard not to cut off your finger or any part of it. So initially this is a bit time consuming, but when you've had a bit of practice it gets quite fast. As I say, the trick is just using the finger at the back to push the felt in, and that gives you a nice pie crust beveling, also known as a shark tooth bevel. Sometimes you'll want to under bevel. If this is a pad to go around an exostosis, for example, you don't want it to be stuck around it like that. So in that case you actually go underneath, like so. So if this was going over a dorsal exostosis or a bunion, for example, something like that, that can actually roll around it, and it'll sit there much more neatly over that.